Hello students, welcome to all of you. Today I'm going to teach you exercise 7th A and chapter 7, and the name of the chapter is factors and multiples. Okay, so are you ready for this exercise? So now let us start this exercise. Question 1 of this exercise says write all the factors of the following numbers and then tell whether it is a prime number or a composite number. So prime number and composite number you have already practiced in the previous worksheet, okay, in which I have given you a table and you have to circle all the prime numbers from 1 to 100. Fine. So now let us do this question. Part A of this question says that the number which is given is 13. Okay, so write the question is saying write all the factors of the following numbers. So if we want to write the factors of 13, then what are the factors of 13? Factors means by which number we can divide 13. So 13 is a prime number, so only we can divide 13 by 1 or 13 itself. Okay, so the factors of 13 is 1 and 13. And also the question is saying tell whether it is a prime number or a composite number. So first of all you will write factors of 13 is equal to 1 comma 13. So is 13 a prime number or a composite number? I have told you if any number has if any number has factor only 1 and the number itself, then it is a prime number. So 13 is a prime number. Okay, now let's talk about the B part. Okay, B part says 36. Now write the factors of 36. So factors of 36 is equal to 1, then 36 can be divided by 2, then 36 can be divided by 3, then 36 can also be divided by 4, then 36 cannot be divided by 5, but it can be divided by 6 because 6 are 36. Okay, and then 36 cannot be divided by 7, 8, and then it can be divided by 9 because 9 4s are 36, and then 12 can be 36 can be divided by 12, and then 20 okay, 18 2s are 36, then 18 is a factor, and then 36 itself is a factor. So these are the factors of 36. Now 36 is a composite number or a prime number. So if any number has factors other than 1 and the number itself, then the number is composite number. 36 is not a prime number. 36 is a composite number. So what you have to do, students, you have to first write the factors of the given number, then you have to tell if that number is composite number, okay, or a prime number. That's it you have to do. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now shall I move for the next question? The next question says, question number 2 says complete the factor tree given below. Complete the factor tree given below, then write the prime factorization of each of the following numbers. So in A part 72, and then 4, here 18 is there. Okay, then there is a blank, and then there is also a blank and you have to fill it. Okay, so I'm gonna fill it. So first of all, students, what we have to do, this is called the factor tree. Okay, as you can see, 4 into 18 is 72. 4 into 18 is 72. So if you multiply the below the number, you will get the number which is above the circles. Okay, so what are the factors of 4? Which two numbers if we multiply we'll get 4? So we can write what? So you can fill here 2 into 2, okay, because 2 into 2 is 4. So fill 2 and 2 here, and then 6 3s are 18. So 3 into 6, okay. Now for 6 we can write 3 2s are 6, okay. So 3 into 2, 3 2s are 6. As you can see here, 3 2s are 6, and 6 3s are 18, and 2 2s are 4, okay. So what are the now prime factors? Right, prime factors. So the prime factors are 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2, okay. So you just write 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So this is the answer. Now let us do the next question, which is B part of this. So let us do this B part now, and the number which is given is 240, okay, 240, and one branch is there, 10 is given, then multiply by 24, okay. Then also there are two branches, and we have to fill it. Now again two branches, again here are two branches here, and two again. So you have to fill it, okay. So students, let us do this question now. Look at this. 10 into 24 is 240, okay. Now uh, by which number, by which two number we multiply, will get 10? What are the two numbers that we multiply to get 10? So we can write 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10, so we will write 2 into 5, okay. Then what are the two numbers that their multiplication is 24? 12 into 2, we can say 12 into 2, or 2 into 12, okay. So, or we can say 6 into 4, we can say 6 into 4 also. So write 6 into 4, because 6 4s are 24, okay. So I'm writing 6 into 4 here, 6 into 4. Now if I talk about 6, then 3 2s are 6, so write 3 into 2, 3 2s are 6, and if I talk about 4, then 2 2s are 4, okay, 2 2s are 4. So what are the prime factors now? Prime factors is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 2. So write 2 first. 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into this 3 into this 5, okay. So we have to write only prime factors, not the composite factor or non-prime factors. So this is the, these are the prime factors. Fine students. Now question 3 says write the prime factorization of the following using division method, and part A is 114. So we have to write prime factors of 114 by which method? By division method. In previous question the method was this method was called factor tree method, but now we have to use division method. So this is very simple. First write 114 and divide by 2. 2 5s are 10, okay, and it is 11, so 1 carry 14, 2 7s are 14. Fine. Now we can reduce by 3. 3 1s are 3, 2 carry 27, so 3 9s are 27, and 19 1s are 19. So the prime factors is equal to 2 into 3 into 19. This is the answer. Now let me tell you the D part. 210, okay. So reduce it by 2 first. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, okay. Then reduce it by 3. 3 3s are 9, and this is 10, so 1 carry 15, 3 5s are 15. Again reduce by 5, So 5 sevens are 35, and now reduce by 7. 7 ones are 7 ones are 7. So what are the prime factors? Prime factors of 210 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. This is the answer. So in the same way, you will do the rest of the question. Fine. Now question 4 says, which of the following are pair of co-primes? Now what are co-primes? Let me tell you first. So co-primes are the prime numbers which have only common factor 1, okay, which have only common factor as 1. So if we talk about the first part, 6 and 13. So what are the factors of 6? Factor of 6 is 2 into 3, okay, and factor of 13 is 1 into 13, or I can write it like this also. The factor of 6, how are you going to find the factor of 6? Look at this. Write the factor of 6. So 2 3s are and 3 1s are. So factor of 6 and factor of 13, 13 1s are 13. Okay, so you will write factors of 6 is equal to 1, comma 2, comma 3. Okay, and now factors of 13 is equal to 1, comma 13. Okay, 1 comma 13. Now students, tell me that which is the common factor? Only 1 is the common factor. So if only 1 is the common factor, then the numbers are co-prime. So 6 and 13 are co-prime numbers. Okay, so this was part A. Now let me tell you another C part, 21 and 33. So now find the factor of 21. 3 sevens are 21, 7 ones are 7, and 33, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 11 ones are 11. So what are the factors? Factors of 21 is equal to 1, comma 3, comma 7. Okay, and then factors of 33 is equal to 1, comma 3, comma 11. Now what are the common factors? 1 is the common factor and 3 is the common factor. So if the numbers have more than 1, okay, any other common factor than 1, then it is not a co-prime number. Only 1 should be the common factor, not any other number. So we can say that 21 and 33 are not co-prime numbers. Okay students. Now question 5 says, write all the pairs of twin primes between 40 and 80. This is question 5, and question is saying write all the pairs of twin primes between 40 and 80. So between 40 and 80 we have to write all the twin primes numbers. So this question you have to do in your homework. I have given you a table in the previous worksheet. By the help of that table you have to write the numbers, twin prime numbers between 40 and 80. Now what are twin primes? Twin primes numbers are the prime numbers which have difference between them too. For example, if I talk about 41 and 43. So 41 is a prime number and 43 is also a prime number. And what is the difference between these two numbers? So the difference is 2. Okay, why? Because 43 minus 41 is 2. So difference between both the prime numbers is 2. So these two prime numbers are twin primes. Okay, so you have to write all the twin prime numbers between 40 and 80. This you have to do in homework. Okay students, thank you.